Go into the world, do well, but most importantly, go into the world and be good. We all love you. continue your journey.
Bella is beautiful, driven, independent, hardworking, and full of integrity. She sets goals for herself and works tirelessly to achieve them. She truly embodies confidence and determination, and if there's one thing we all know about Bella, it's that she doesn't wait for anyone to create her future. She creates it for herself. Bella, my prayer for you is that you continue down this path of success, stay true to who you are, and never lose the ambition, strength, and resilience that makes you so special. Keep chasing your dreams, keep believing in yourself, and keep being the incredible young woman we all know and love. Congratulations, Bella. We are so proud of you, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you accomplish. I love you so much.
Stay the course, and your life goals will be met. We are honored to call you our daughter. Now, I am in no way saying that you're perfect, but I am in every way saying that you are perfect today. I love you. Mom loves you, and thank you, baby.
Thank you. So shout outs I want to give. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to my aunties and my uncles. They helped put this whole thing together. I've been talking about this party for a couple years now. And honestly, it was solely because I really wanted to dance for everyone and just have that community with you all. So thank you guys so much to my aunties and uncles. This would not have been possible without you all. So. Next, I want to thank all my dancers that dance in my line, even though I don't think most of them are in here, but if you are, shout out to my dancers, the girls, and the guys, but to my ladies, we were up till 1 a.m. making these things, shout out to them, because I'm so thankful that you guys stayed up that late just for this party. So thank you so much, and for your hard work and dedication. Next thing I want to give is to my mom and grandma for making all those cookies in the back. So thank you. They good, y'all? Are they good? Okay, period. And lastly, I want to say thank you to my friends and family that have supported me throughout all these years of high school, middle school, elementary school.